This is why Project Hail Mary blew up so fast. The scene where Eva Strat sings karaoke was not in the original script. Ryan Gosling overheard Sandra Huller singing between takes and asked her to perform for the movie just 48 hours before filming that scene. Huller agreed and selected Sign of the Times as her song. Ryan Gosling wears glasses in the film because, during wardrobe tests, his daughter passed by and mentioned he looked smart with glasses. Ryan Gosling's character jokingly taps on glass to a mimicking alien and hums along the famous synth keyboard tones heard in Close Encounters of the Third Kind, the fastest film to reach 1 million viewers on Letterboxd, 11 days after its theatrical release. It broke the record held by Barbie and Superman at 12 days each.